my, oh, so cute. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at those eyes stick on the tree. You see?
Yeah, I see it. It's melting already. Look.
Yeah, it's melting. Look at here. It's all melting. Wow.
It's cute, right?
This is so cute. Tingnan niyo siya. Para siyang ano, you know, it's like hair dress to put on your head when you're joining like a you know, fashion show. Pero oh my god, it's moving. Look. Ano siya guys, na-frozen talaga siya, oh. Tingnan mo, oh.
Oh yeah, it is.
My god. It's unbelievable, right?
Congratulations.
Good morning guys, and today is the other day. Good morning. So yesterday, yeah, there's freezing rain. So we're going out.
Ice storm.
Yeah, ice storm yesterday, right? So we go yesterday and last night. So we're going out today to check outside. So what is freezing snow or ice rain. So let's go and check it there. Oh, look at that, guys.
Careful.
Okay.
Slippery.
Slippery, is that?
Slippery.
You see something? You should say it.
Yeah, it's been night to not really safe for driving. So get ice here on the sidewalk. See, it's sleepy. And Bunny is trying to close the door. So be careful. Walking on the sidewalk.
Oh, guys, look the leaves. Show it where the leaves. The grass. Look at the grass. Look at that. Ayan siya, oh. Oh, it's ice. Frozen siya, guys. Everything is frozen. So if I'm going to step, oh, look at that. Oh my God. Oh, oh, look at that. Oh my God. It's
Yeah.
unbelievable.
And it's a fog
Wow.
outside. Look, fog outside.
Yeah, and this is the cause of that's why the
can
road
go over there
is
to that
very
tree, you see?
slippery. Ooh. So tara guys, i-check natin yung mga puno kung anong itsura guys after ng ice storm last night. Sobrang na-amaze talaga ako sa nangyayari sa klima sa US guys, sa weather ba, yung paiba-ibang mga season weather nila dito. Oh my God, look at this guy. Oh my, oh, so cute. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at those eyes stick on the tree. You see?
Yeah, I see it. It's melting already. Look.
Yeah, it's melting. Look at here. It's all melting. Wow. Key off?
For the house.
Yeah, it is with me. So let's go guys.
Look at the fog. It's not good.
Oh my God.
We cannot go so far. I mean, fast. Too much because it's gonna.
So guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Milwaukee. So part din siya ng US pero different part. Hindi siya sa Kenosha sa amin. Kung napapansin nyo guys, dito ay snow storm. Doon naman sa amin ice storm. Diba kanina pinakita ko, huh? Tingnan nyo yung pagkakaiba guys, di ba? Yung ice storm is more
Wow, it's a
dangerous.
lot.
So, meron kaming pinick up ngayon ng laundry para sa Airbnb. So, tumawag yung boss ko. So, nagpasama ako kay husband, di ba? So, wala naman siya magawa kundi samahan ako. Wala naman tayong sasakyan eh, di ba? Kung pwede lang dalhin yung sasakyan ko, ipadala dito sa, yung sasakyan ko sa Pilipinas, ipadala sa US. Di ba? Kaya lang hindi pwede, di ba? So, tiis-tiis muna siya.
Please.
Here, Bear.
And then what do we have to do with this? Put inside the...
Inside the... We're gonna bring.
Oh. He saw me. Sounds good. I was like, okay. He's not gonna see me. Oh shit. Yeah, nice. Okay. Yeah, they clean nicely. There's somebody over there. Oh no, that's the neighbor. Sorry.
Delivery.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Ay, it's so deep. Oh my God. We go to PapaBear's.
How do we get in?
Uh.
Okay.
Santa Claus is coming. Oh, we're back from home. From my job, and look at that. Yung ice guys, tubig na siya. Wet na wet. Oh my God! Tubig. Open the door, please.
What's the password?
Open the door, it's cold now! Whatever.
Please don't remember the password.
Okay guys, Papa Bear will cook a tacos today. He's our chef. Hey, don't use the spoon. Yeah, use that. Whoa.
Simple. Anybody can do it, right? Probably you guys did this before too. But it's such a good food. I mean, if anybody likes tacos, right? So I decided to just cook this for Bunny today.
Thank you. We'll see.
She's been cooking for me for so long now, so and I wanna experience, you know, like pay her back.
Oh, really?
With my dish today. Hey. Just put the right. It's gonna evaporate anyway, so. And now let's slow it down to like medium. And let's cook slowly. Actually, longer is better because it's gonna suck all the mixture ingredients into the meat. That's my only recipe that I added to this simple taco recipe that everyone. Slow down, chill, relax for like 20 minutes. Let it cook, let it boil. Not boil, but just simmer.